So back again. Today I'm going to attempt to remove the fabrics from the stitches on the seat cover. I was thinking taking it off from here, this section all the way up to here, and I was debating, should I even do this little corner right here? But I mean, it's not that bad. It's not faded, anything. Just a little cup on top, and then run the seam down here, cut around, and go all the way into this plastic vinyl things, and then come down. I think I'm gonna have a problem when try to sew it back, because this section is stitched with this inside this line somehow, I think. So I'm just using the razor blade to cut off this thing right here. That's the stitch thing. All right, I got this so far out. That was it from here to here. And then when I go inside here, so basically what they did was they sewed the fabric in with this little back foam first, and then they sew the plastic rail, which just to hold the springs in. So that's where it is. So this seam right here, I think this is the most difficult one. This is where the back is, and it's curved, and it's sewed on to this plastic little, I don't know what the fuck it is. We have a little rod here. So this is where the indentation is at. So finally did it. Finally come out. So this is the bottom, and then come to the top like that. This thing sit on top like that. Okay, this is what I got so far. This is the front piece, the inside of the bolster, this side of the bolster, and then this is basically the inner bolster, right? I would call it inner bolster, and then this the outer bolster, and this is the bottom. Okay, this is the back piece. Let's take it out. This is the back piece that go around. This is basically the side bolster, and it curved into here. I think it's curved like something along this line. Shit, I forgot already. Good luck with putting it back. So something like this. So I make a little template for the cutout. Just right now, just for the outer bolster section. This is for the top by the headrest. This is my cutout. I lifted on the I did the best I can, man. All right, got a two-piece done, but I'm trying to mess around with this thing for like the last hour. I don't know how to even put it back in that one piece. Oh my God. So I just sewed it. I just sewed this back in the seat, It's not perfect because it's very difficult to sew this thing back into where the little original line is. I mean, this is my first time. It's not the perfection. There's flaws here and there, but overall, hopefully I can squeeze it back in on the foam. See that little crease right there? I don't know why it's like that. Oh, damn it. I need to fucking in-thread it and then pull it back out and sew it again. So for those of you wondering how I sew this thing, well, here it is. This is the sewing machine. I learned how to sew. My mom taught me how to sew. I don't know, for whatever reason. I think because back in the day, the pants is too long. I need to fix it. So she showed me how to sew it. And then now I found this piece right here. I don't know what this thing called. I don't know nothing about machine, but so basically this thing will compress this side when I sew it. So leaving the little nudge, the little this right here, this piece right here, so I won't sew it. So I'll be like on the edge of it. So as long as I press it down next to the edge, I think, or something like this along the line, and like that around the edge, and it will hit right on the edge, I believe. So this is after I just sewed it about 10 minutes ago. For this piece, that actually works. So you can see this is the original stitches line. My new line is a little bit thinner, but it doesn't show. So it works out pretty good. So this is the finished product, but I made a mistake. Upon further inspection, if you see this stitches line right here, this is the line that meets, versus over here, notice that it's on this line. If I trace this line all the way across, this section right there, my thumb is, should be on top on this one. So right now it's about 1/2 inch off. So if I move 1/2 inch up, this should be okay, and then kind of loop around, bring this one down 1/2 inch, which will match with this ending right here. And I think by doing that, this thing will line up too, over here. Fuck! All this work. Now I gotta take off all the stitches, all the way around, and redo. I might as well redo it now because this is off the seat, because I still gotta work on the foam piece. If you look at that original video, this side got missing foams on it, and this side is sitting kind of low. So I'm gonna add some foam on this side, trim it down to even it out, and then add some foam here, and then add some foam on the bolster. That's gonna be another day. But as for now, I mean, this thing looks okay. It's just different color. Like I said before, this is an experimental, just to check it out, see if I could do it. So, but right now, I know my mistakes. Now I got to remove all the thread and then re-sew. Stay tuned.